Chag Sameach. We're about to enter the holiday of Sukkot. And one of the primary mitzvot is the mitzvah of Lulav and Etrog. We all know the famous midrash that Lulav represents the person that his emphasis is sitting and learning Torah. The Etrog represents the person that the emphasis is on Torah and on mitzvot. The Hadass represents the person that the emphasis is on doing mitzvot. And the Aravot represents the person who's Jewish. Just the mere fact that the person is Jewish. And it comes on Sukkot, we unite all of them together and we make one bracha, a bracha of unity. The question that many commentaries ask is why make the bracha al nitilat lulav? Lulav represents the individual that just the emphasis is on learning Torah. Why don't we do it on that etrog? We spend so much money on that etrog. We want to make sure that etrog is so beautiful. It represents the person that does Torah and does mitzvot. Why don't we make the bracha on the etrog? And there are many answers. Amongst them is that the lulav is greater, taller. We see it. We make the bracha on something we see. But the Rebbe explains something so beautiful. If you want to be an etrog your entire life, you have to be first a lulav for a certain period of your life. If you want to be that etrog that sits and learns and does mitzvah, a mitzvot, that comes as a result of dedicating a semester, a month, a year, or two, or more of being only a lulav. Once you're a lulav, you will be an etrog Be'ezrat Hashem your entire life. So that those that really want to come to yeshiva, or those that want to learn, there are options to go onto YouTube to see a few beautiful videos on your way to and back from work. That's all great. But there has to be a time when you're only a lulav. You come to yeshiva, you sit and learn. That year affects your entire lifetime. And someone that was once in yeshiva could always look back, fall back, or grow back on the time he was in yeshiva, and that will give him strength for his entire lifetime. That individual that she was in yeshiva will give her strength for her entire lifetime. If she or he remembers those days when she or he was a lulav, they will be an etrog now and forever. Chag Sameach.